Welcome to our channel where today we will walk you through the exact steps to verify your IngramSpark publishing account quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel. We understand that setting up your IngramSpark account can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to verification. But fear not as we break it down for you step by step. First, log into your IngramSpark account using your registered email and password. If you haven't created an account, yet visit the IngramSpark website and complete the sign-up process after logging and locate the account settings or profile section, where you can initiate the verification process. The key part of verification involves confirming your identity and publishing details. Start by providing accurate personal and business information, including your name, address, and tax identification number. Make sure to double-check for typos or errors, as this information must match official documents. Next, you will be asked to verify your email address. If you haven't already received an email, simply check your inbox for the confirmation message from IngramSpark and click on the link provided. This step ensures that you have full access to the email tied to your publishing account. Moving forward, IngramSpark may require you to upload identification documents. This typically includes a state-issued ID passport or business license scan or photograph. These documents clearly ensuring all details are legible. Upload them via the provided secure upload portal on the IngramSpark platform. Once uploaded, wait for confirmation from the IngramSpark team, which usually takes 24 to 48 hours. During this waiting period, avoid making changes to your account information to prevent any verification delays. If additional verification is required, you might receive an email requesting further documentation or clarification. Respond to these requests promptly to speed up the process. After successful verification, you will receive confirmation by email or notification within your account dashboard. This means your account is now ready to publish and distribute books through IngramSpark. Finally, to maintain your account verifications, always keep your contact information up to date and monitor your email for any verification updates or renewal requests. Our detailed guide ensures that you can confidently complete the IngramSpark account verification process and start your publishing journey without unnecessary delays. Remember that careful and accurate information submission is the cornerstone of a smooth experience. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful publishing tutorials.